Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 6. Calculate the total distance covered by a train before coming to rest if its initial speed is 30 meters per second with a constant retardation of 0.1 meters per second. A. 5,500 meters, B. 4,500 meters, C. 4,200 meters, D. 3,000 meters. So you have a situation where a train has been stopped, but obviously when any vehicle or a train is stopped, the velocity gradually decreases before it comes to a halt. So that decrease in velocity before it comes to a halt is what is described as the retardation. So now we are asked, what is the distance it will cover before it eventually comes to rest? That is, what is the distance it will cover as it is retarding. Okay, so to solve this, you would make use of Newton's third equation, which is v square is equal to u square plus 2as, where v is the final velocity, u is initial velocity, a is the acceleration, and s is the distance. So s is what you would be looking for. Now it will be important to note that v will be equal to 0 meters per second because it's coming, okay, the train will be stopping. So since it is coming to a halt, the final velocity is going to be 0 meters per second. Okay, so let's make s, which we are looking for, subject of the formula. So if you make that v square minus u square is equal to 2a is equal to 2as over 2a. So if you are doing this, s will be equal to v square minus u square over 2a. Now remember, we said v is 0, so that means s will be equal to u square over 2a. So u square, of course, which is the initial velocity, is equal to 30 meters per second. So 30 square over 2 multiplied by, now we said a is acceleration, but in this case what we are using as a is our retardation, since it is coming to a halt. So our retardation is 0.1. So 30 square over 2 times 0.1 is equal to 4,500 meters. So 4,500 meters is the distance it will cover before it comes to a stop, and 4,500 is option B. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.